All right, Phantom Gundam 1. So we're gonna build the Phantom Gundam. What's a good title for this for the Phantom? Like Crossbone Anime Win. This is cool. This is really, really cool. And it's like squishy plastic. This is cool. Yummy premium plastic. It's true. Only the finest quality. I could actually, like these runners, this plastic is squishy enough I might actually eat it when I finish. Look how cool he's gonna look, chat room. That's insane. That's so hype. Wait, good choice on the Phantom Gundam, guys. This thing's cool as hell. Alright, this is the old put the visor on sticker, so I gotta do this off screen. It never gets easier, chat room, even after years in this hobby. It's still stressful. Look at our Phantom so far, chat room. He looks pretty cool. I like this Gundam a lot. Look at him. Alright, we got the leggies done, chat room. Look at those. Alright, the stickers are on, officially. And it looks not terrible. Look at him, chat room. Now we can start doing effects and backpack and stuff. It's our own little Phantom Gundam. We'll put him over here by the Monster Energy, whose label has been sheeted towards the camera for branding purposes. Pose him in the fetal position. Yeah, I can do that. They're like two little pincers. I can make them kiss too. Anyway, sorry. We're building here. Let's be normal, chat room. Look at him! He's still in the fetal position though. What? He's so fucking back heavy. Gotta use his kickstands. This is unreal. What the fuck? Jesus Christ. So, we just finished our high-grade Phantom Gundam. He's very, very, very cool. He has so many fucking fire effects. I have no idea how I'm going to pose him yet. But he's very cool, highly recommended. This was a P-Bandai kit, so it's unfortunately not the easiest in the world to get your hands on, but if you can manage to snag one when it gets reprinted or something, I highly recommend it. The effects parts alone sell this kit, and for the most part it's just a pretty standard, well put together high grade with a bunch of fire effects on it, which that's top tier. Plus it's Crossbone, so we gotta support Crossbone. So yeah, highly recommended. I give this kit I don't really have a rating system, a very good out of 10.